In today's video, I'm going to teach you how Zoho Cliq works. Zoho Cliq is a dynamic, secure, and real-time team messaging platform designed specifically to improve communication within organizations and even with external collaborators. Whether you're using it on your desktop, via the web, or on a mobile app, Zoho Cliq offers a unified interface that integrates chats, channels, file sharing, meetings, bots, reminders, and more, all at your fingertips. Let's start by exploring the core menu on the dashboard, which is essentially your control center within Zoho Cliq. Here, you'll find several key features that facilitate smooth communication and collaboration. First, there's chats, where you can engage in private or group conversations. This is where the heart of your daily interactions will take place. Next, we have channels, which are designed for team-wide discussions. Think of channels as open forums, tailored to specific projects or topics, providing a space where team members can brainstorm and collaborate in real time. The History tab is a handy feature, allowing you to revisit previous interactions, ensuring you never lose track of important conversations. Then we have the Files section, a crucial area where you can manage all documents and media shared across your team. Keeping all shared content organized in one place eliminates the need to sift through multiple threads to locate a specific file. Don't miss the organization calendar and notes. The org calendar is indispensable for scheduling and keeping everyone on the same page regarding upcoming meetings and events. Meanwhile, Notes assists you in jotting down important thoughts or action items, helping you stay organized in the fast-paced environment of team communication. In the top right corner, you'll find options to invite users, allowing you to effortlessly bring more teammates or external collaborators into the conversation. A significant feature for maintaining discussions' relevance is the starred messages function. It helps you easily bookmark important messages for quick access later, keeping crucial information just a click away. Mentioning is also straightforward with the @ symbol. It's a great way to catch someone's attention in a chat or channel. For setting up reminders about specific tasks or deadlines, look for the clock icon, an intuitive feature to ensure you never miss an important task. Likewise, creating calendar events through the calendar icon helps manage and synchronize everyone's schedules effectively. Finally, let's touch on the Marketplace and Profile picture. The Marketplace grants access to a range of integrations, enriching Zoho Cliq's functionality by connecting to other tools and services your team might be using. Customizing your profile. Picture not only adds a personal touch, but also makes interactions a bit more human and warm. By leveraging these features, Zoho Cliq centralizes every aspect of communication and collaboration, all packaged in a secure and customizable interface. It's an ideal solution for both internal and external real-time team interactions. So there you have it, a comprehensive look at how Zoho Cliq can transform the way your team communicates and collaborates.